Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished college, dear researchers, fellow academics and students, we stand today at the intersection of two extraordinary forces, computation and artificial intelligence, and the relentless human drive to understand the natural world and transform it for the better. Across science and technology, these forces are not distant accelerants. They are the very engines of discovery, innovation, and impacts. From simulating complex climate systems to accelerating drug discovery, from guiding autonomous systems to advancing quantum research, computation and AI are reshaping what is possible and how we work together to achieve it. First, let us paint the landscape. Computation has moved from a supporting tool to a central partner in research. We now design experiments, analyze terabytes of data, and run multi-scale models that can reveal patterns invisible to the naked eye. AI, empowered by machine learning, reinforcement learning, and probabilistic reasoning, offers capabilities to identify correlation, optimize designs, and generate hypotheses at speeds and scales unimaginable a decade ago. This is not about replacing human insight, it's about amplifying it, freeing scientists from routine tasks so they can pursue higher order questions. What if, how now, what's next? But with great power comes responsibility and the need for readiness. Researchers and academics must navigate these technologies with discernment, humility, and collaborations. Readiness means fluency in fundamentals and ethics, a solid grounding in statistics, computational thinking, and data governance, paired with a principled understanding of bias, privacy, security, and the societal implication of AI systems. Collaborative literacy, the ability to work across disciplines, engineers with life scientists, statisticians with scholars in humanities, policy experts with data scientists, so that complex problems are approached holistically. Hands-on adaptability, familiarity with modern tool chains, cloud-based environment, reproducible workflows, and the continuous learning mindset that keeps pace with rapid advancements. Strong mentorship and governance means that transparent processes for evaluating AI claims, reproducibility, and responsible innovation. Clear roles for senior mentors who model prudent risk taking. Inclusive leadership means ensuring diverse teams, inclusive problem framing, and equal access to opportunities so that breakthroughs reflect broad needs and perspectives. We are now expected to translate this readiness into how should this readiness actions. I believe all of us should carefully reflect on this and do necessary actions as soon as possible to navigate human-centered computation and artificial intelligence. This action also reflects the importance of interconnectedness of education, research, and community engagement. Three core values we have been developing in our higher education institution. My final point in this discussion on artificial intelligence and health research center on the remarkable development of the human blueprint technology. This refers to the complete sequencing and of the human genome. The effort to sequence the entire human genome began with the telomere to telomere, T to T consortium in 2000 and was finally completed in 2022. This monumental project successfully mapped and sequenced 3.055 billion base pairs, the totality of our genetic information. For over 2 decades, the consortium made up of professors from various U.S. universities continuously research to fill the 8% of gaps that remain in the initial 2000 draft. After more than 20 years of relentless work, the complete blueprint of human genome has been assembled. Having the complete human genome sequence is basically analogous to having all manuals needed to build our human body. The above research and discovery are profoundly impactful. It gives us a foundational understanding of the origin of human variations, including race, skin color, hair, physical posture, eyes, and blood type. In the long term, being able to alter the DNA sequence opens the imagination to the possible birth of superhumans, individuals who are tall, strong, disease-free, pain-free, and highly intelligent. More immediately, this breakthrough significantly advances our understanding of genetic mutation and various human diseases, directly leading to the development of new and more effective therapies. Certainly, this research will shape and change the very future of human being and human existence. This is the real challenge for us, and we hope this conference deal with this important issue. In closing, it's essential to recognize that computation and AI are not just tools. They are powerful partners that extend our cognitive reach. The true challenge before us is not merely to adopt these technologies, but to actively cultivate the people, institutions, and systems that can steer them toward outcomes we genuinely value: healthier communities, sustainable environments, deeper scientific understanding, and greater equity. These are the core tenets of transformative education and research. Let's commit to building an ecosystem where our researchers are fluent in computation, rigorous in their methods, ethical in their practice, and empowered through collaboration. The future of our science and technology, and indeed the future of our societies, depends on our commitment to this vision. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.